In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a profile pin on Netflix. First thing you need to do is open a web browser of your choice and go to netflix.com. Next, sign in, and then on the top right, your profile icon, you should see a drop-down arrow. Hover over it and you should see Count. Click Account. Now you need to scroll all the way down to Edit Settings. Click that. Just under your name, your personal information contact, you've got Profile Lock. Require PIN to access this profile. Click it. Create a profile lock. Make this profile private by adding a 4-digit PIN that will need to be entered to access it. Click Create a profile lock. First, let's make sure it's you. Before we make any changes, we just need a quick confirmation. You can choose email or text. I'm just going to go for quickness. The middle one is text. I've received the code. I'm now going to enter it in. And click Submit. You'll be asked to re-enter your PIN when you select your profile on any device. I'm going to enter a new PIN. You can also require PIN to be added to new profiles. There's a quick note that says a profile PIN is not required to make changes to profile settings or to delete a profile. Once you're done, click Save PIN. Your profile is now locked. You should also receive an email notification of this happening, which should also include the profile lock PIN. And that is how you set up a profile PIN on Netflix. If this video helped, give it a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.